What's going on, guys? It's back again. You know what I'm saying? Bass Ripper J. You know what I'm saying? Jonathan Rice Fishing YouTube. Today I'm at a lake right now. If you know this lake, well, if you know somebody at this area, you only can fish here. But I'm finna get on the yak today. I've been here a couple of times. There's big bass here, so we should be catching some big bass today. Yep. Before I get to the video, make sure y'all subscribe to my YouTube channel, Jonathan Rice Fishing. Make sure y'all go subscribe my Instagram, Bass Ripper _J. Make sure y'all go follow my friends, Eli Fishing, Hunter Hernandez, Alex Fishing, and Caleb Fishing. But yeah, with that being said, let's go ahead and get into the list. Like now, as you can see, it's almost like hitting these docks with this jig. Because I noticed fall time, they gonna go towards structure. There's a lot of structures out here, I ain't gonna lie. There's a lot of structure over there, like that, all over there. They say there's more bigger bass on this side. I kind of fished that side like what was it, like last year or something like that? I caught a couple of fish. But they said the bigger bass is on this side, so I'm gonna start flipping this jig on these docks and see if I can catch something. Again. Ah, crap. You got it. Yes, sir, guys. First fish of the day. Just got him in that dock. Guys. Look at that. First little fish. Small little guy. Wow, I just cast it like that dock. I don't know y'all seen how I just cast that. Caught him right there. I felt it. Alright guys, let's go back. Yep, see? All you need is a trusty jig, a good sized bite jig, and a beautiful docks like how we got here. Y'all catch them, guys. Let's go ahead and try the other ones. I'm trying to be straight. Yeah, no guys, I know I ain't uploading in a while, guys. I've really been trying to get everything updated with my kayak. I'm trying to I actually about to get a new GoPro. I'm trying to get a troll motor on here. What else? Also trying to get a fish finder. Cause I'm really trying to do right now. I'm trying to set up my kayak for next year, or like when the bass tournaments come back. That way I'll be set and ready to do tournaments. Cause I'm gonna be hitting tournaments hard this coming up. I'm gonna try to get them hard, and I'm gonna definitely drop more videos on the tournaments. I'm kind of twisted over here. I'm trying to see. Guys, I'm back. I just caught one right here, guys. Good size pound. Fish right here. This size fish right here. that's all he. Okay, pretty good. Okay. That sounds good. I say about 2 pounds. It's a thick kind of. Look at this. It's a thick guy right here. We eating. Go ahead and release him. Look on this nice side bass. So we got okay. Get bigger, man. You splashed me. My second bass of the day. I'm still hitting these docks. There's still a lot of docks out here to hit. So, like all these docks. Still got more to hit. Sun going down kinda, so I might have to switch to chatterbait. Just some feel, some movement in there. See if they might bite down like that. But right now we're still gonna keep hitting these docks. We got some light. Still. I think they probably still will hit without some light. I don't know. Guess we'll see. Alright guys, I got another one on the dock with the jig. These are some fat fish, I'm not gonna lie. There are some big fish out here. These are some big fish. They eating this jig, guys, on these docks. They eating this jig. Look at them. They're small, but they're thick. They're gonna be some big bass. That's how I know it's a big one in here. Alright guys, I'm gonna put it back. See, I gotta do something with this chatterbait on this side right here. Already guys? Already guys? I just jumped it in there. Oh, he's a big bass. Oh, he's a nice size bass right here. Oh guys. Oh god, oh god, I got it. Come on, come on. Oh guys, it's a nice bass. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Can we get him? We got him. Oh my god. Do y'all see this? Yo, this thing is fat. Bro, look at this bass. Guys, oh my god. Yo, let's go. Let's go. This bass is fat, dude. Oh my gosh. I hope y'all just seen that. I just cast it right there and I got smoked instantly. It didn't even hit the bottom yet. Jeez, this guy going on. Hold on. Hold on, guys. Yeah, I just gotta go on the scale. This is a big bass. Fat guy, dude. Let's see how much he. Okay, hold on. Let's fix that again. Hold on. Guys, 215. Wow. Look at this fat dude. This is a chunky bass. Look at him. He's chunky.